AIDEVI is a V-owned American brand dedicated to provide high-quality nutritional supplements, including NMN. The brand focuses on enhancing longevity and improving quality of life through cutting-edge supplements, with a key emphasis on NMN supplements. AIDEVI's core vision is longevity and vitality. AIDEVI aims to help people live longer, healthier life by supporting cellular health and promoting youthful energy. Innovation in health. By harnessing the power of NMN, AIDEVI strives to provide scientifically backed solutions for those looking to improve their overall well-being in combating the effect of aging. NMN supplements for longevity. AIDEVI flagship products and its NMN supplements, known for its ability to boost NAD+ levels, decline the age and critical energy production and DNA repair, support healthy aging, enhances physical and cognitive performance, and promoting overall cellular health, promoting longevity, helping individuals maintain vitality and energy as they age. Through its competence and quality and science-based ingredients, AIDEVI is dedicated to improve health for everyone through humanity, empowering individuals to live longer and more vibrant lives.